There's the 3 little pigs. What are you guys and girls up to today? Nala seems to be enjoying her new pen. So when a pig's pregnant, it's supposed to be 3 months, 3 weeks, and 3 days. So it's kind of easy to remember. So she should be having her babies here probably in the next 2 or 3 days. But Nicholas, he's kind of lonely down there in the field all by himself. But we've been giving him a little extra treats. What? You want to come and say hi? You want to come and say hi, boogers? What? What? Those are the piggies. What do you think? What do you think? Awful loud noise, such a little pig. And they got dewormed yesterday. But they did pretty good. Well, hello, Lucy. How you doing, sweetie? That's Lucy and Ethel and little Ricky. Little Nala enjoying hers. And then the kittens, they're actually getting pretty big. Let's go see if we can see them today. He thinks it's time to eat. Booger, lead the way. Come on, lead the way. Meow. We'll stop by and see Nala real quick. Hello, sweet girl. How you liking your new field, sweetheart? How you doing? Whoops. I don't know if we can get it on your face or not from here. Listen, all that goings on over there. Ooh, there's one little kitten sticking her head through the fence. Meow. There's another little kitten. What you doing, cutie? What, you piggies thinking it's feeding time? The other kittens must be hiding. They were actually born up in the ceiling. And then got it was a good month and a half. We thought the poor things had died because we couldn't hear them anymore. And then one day we came in here and a bunch of kittens running around. But we got 4 little kittens. They're all named after the Harry Potter characters. The wife and kids are the ones that know their names, but yeah, they all get along pretty good. Let's walk over and see if we can see Nicholas. Oh, there's another one. There's 3 of them. Where are you going, silly? Well, do you want to say hi? Oh, there's number 4. Come here, Luna. Where you going, cutie? She's a little shy. The other 3, they'll run right up to you, but she's the little shy one. Where you going, cutie? Alright. We'll go see if Nicholas is up. We had a lot of rain this last week. I'm gonna have to cut grass again. Seems like lately we have to cut the grass about every 4 days. But heck, it's like a good 8 to 12 hour project just to cut the grass once a week. I don't know if you can hear the roosters over there. There they go again. There's Danny girl. That's Daenerys. What's up, boys and girls? What you doing, sweetie? The first black one there on the right, he's the calf that was born last October, early November. And then the second calf was born in March. So it's September now, so the one's coming up on a year. And right over there, that's Daenerys. She had a baby. This one here had the second baby. And this young lady here is going to be a cow when she has her baby, which should be soon. Right, young lady? Where's Jon Snow at? I don't see the bull. The wife must have already fed him. He usually comes up and eats, then takes off. Alright, let's go see if Nick's over here. Nope, he must be down in the pasture. We'll walk up and make sure he's not in his house, but he's probably down in the pasture eating. Yeah, he must be down in the pasture, so. That's it, it's just an update on all the animals. And hopefully here in the next day or two, we'll have some baby pigs to show you guys. Till then, like and subscribe, and God bless.